Blepharitis. Introduction. The edge of the eye contains tiny oil glands. Select true or false. Correct. The oil from these glands protects your eyes. The oil is also in your tears. Is blepharitis contagious? Select yes or no. Correct. Blepharitis cannot spread from one person to another. It is not contagious. Which of the following are symptoms of blepharitis? Choose one of the following options. 1. Crusty eyelashes. 2. A burning sensation in the eyes. 3. A gritty feeling in the eyes. 4. All of the above. Correct. Dandruff can cause blepharitis. Select true or false. Correct. Conditions like dandruff and rosacea can cause blepharitis. Blepharitis can also be caused by bacteria, allergic reactions, eyelash lice, or certain medications. Mild blepharitis can usually be treated by keeping your eyelids clean and free of crusts. Select true or false. Correct. Clean the area daily to manage your blepharitis. Thank you for using Explain.